Hey everyone, it's Deborah and welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. If you've been hanging out with me for a while, you know I'm a little bit obsessed with shaped mini albums. I've been making house mini albums, teacup minis, all kinds of fun shapes, and you all seem to love them as much as I do. So I thought, why keep all this shaped mini fun to myself? I'd love to see your shaped mini albums too. So I'm hosting an ongoing open collab called the Shaped Mini Album Party. Here's how it's going to work. The Shaped Mini Album Party is an ongoing year-round open collab. That means no sign-up list, no pressure, no strict deadlines. Anytime you make a shaped mini album on your channel, you can join the party. A shaped mini album can be any shape you like. Houses, teacups, sunflowers, butterflies, coffee cups. If it's a mini album and it's a fun shape, it totally counts. When you upload your shaped mini album video, here's all you need to do to be part of the collab. You will use the hashtag Shaped Mini Album Party in your title and in your description. And then step 2, in your video and in your description, mention that you're joining the Shaped Mini Album Party, which is an open collab hosted by me, Daisy Deb Crafts. And step 3, link this announcement video in your description so if any of your viewers want to play along, they can click over here and get all the details. I'll be checking the hashtag and I'll add as many videos as I can find to a special shaped mini album party playlist here on my channel so we can all binge watch each other's shaped album videos. You do not have to be super fancy or advanced to join. Your shaped mini album can be simple or over the top. Stash busting, Dollar Tree, digital kits, dies, hand cut, whatever your style and budget, you are welcome at this party. I cannot wait to see what all of you create and to share in your shaped mini inspiration all year long. So again, this is the Shaped Mini Album Party, an ongoing open collab you can join anytime by using the hashtag Shaped Mini Album Party and mentioning it's hosted by Daisy Deb Crafts. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for crafting along with me, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with another shaped mini album.